White, powdery spots spreading across your cucumber leaves? Don't ignore them. Powdery mildew can spread quickly and weaken your plants, reducing your harvest. Today I'll show you a simple homemade spray made with common kitchen ingredients that may help slow the spread of this fungal disease when used early. Start with 1 liter of warm water in a jug. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda helps create conditions on the leaf surface that are less favorable for powdery mildew. Next, add 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon contains natural compounds that may help slow the growth of certain fungi. Stir well until everything is mixed. Then let the solution sit for about 2 hours. After 2 hours, strain the mixture to remove any particles so the spray nozzle won't clog. Then add 2 to 3 drops of liquid soap and stir again. The liquid soap helps the solution stick evenly to the leaves for better coverage. Spray both the tops and undersides of infected leaves, and lightly spray nearby healthy leaves to help reduce the spread. Powdery mildew often starts underneath the leaves, so complete coverage is important. Apply the spray during the cooler part of the day and repeat every few days if needed. Remove heavily infected leaves to improve airflow around the plant. When treated early, cucumber plants have a much better chance of producing healthy new growth. If you found this gardening tip helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural plant care ideas.